How to delete all photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. For more than one, tap on Select at the top right, then you will be able to choose multiple photos. Once you select the photos, tap the Delete button at the bottom right. Then, tap on Delete again to confirm. Now, scroll all the way down until you reach the Utilities section at the bottom. Within Utilities, tap on the recently deleted album. Authenticate with Face ID or your passcode to access this folder. Inside this album, tap Select again, and then tap the Delete All option that appears at the bottom. This will permanently remove the photos from your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily delete all photos on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.